But first, I have to sweep. It is so dusty. You can't tell, but let's sweep it all up and I'll show you what I mean. Living in a fixer-upper. Wouldn't have imagined all this was on that tarp. Imagine when you have carpets. This is why I'm glad I don't have carpets and I'm going to be installing a hard surface. But yeah, let's get this all swept up. Yeah, this is difficult because it's not stuck, so it just keeps moving. But I'm just trying to get all the areas that I know I walk on. Oh, you're gonna see how dirty it is when I flip this over. Hold on. But this little thing has been doing us great. Oh, you won't have to deal with this on a regular surface because it'll be smooth. I think it's gonna go do really good on my vinyl floors, but for this, yeah, this is the stuff I go through. This is my type of cleaning and renovation. Mopping my exclusive rug. This thing got so much wear and tear. You can see where I'm always at right there. All right, y'all. I'm done. Oh, let me get this little spot. It dried kind of fast too. Here we go. Look how dirty. Ugh.